So our next topic is rules to learn typing. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 rules in the next topic also. So we will see the rules to learn the typing. The first rule is use all fingers. So while learning touch typing, try to use all the 10 fingers of both hands and be sure the thumb for the spacebar key. That means while typing on the with the help of keyboard, we have to use all the 10 fingers properly, and we have to be sure that our thumb is placed on the spacebar key. Proper positioning. Place fingers on the correct key is the key feature of good typist. Keep your hands and fingers close to the base position. This will improve the speed. That means we have to place all the fingers correctly on the particular key so that our typing will be fast, and we have to keep all the fingers close to the base position. That will improve the speed. Next, third point is typing exercise or practice. Typing skill can be improved by typing the exercises provided within the software regularly. Practice of typing will not only increase the speed but also accuracy. That means on the daily basis we have to keep on typing with the help of any typing software. That will really help us to increase the speed and the accuracy while typing any topic or any word. So next point is proper posture. While typing, it is important that the user maintain the correct posture, as the ideal typing posture minimizes both static and dynamic muscles load. Correct position of the body helps you to make you avoid health complications. The few points are: always remember to keep your back straight, keep your elbow bent at the right angle, face the screen with your head straight tilted forward. There should be at least 20 to 30 inch distance between your eyes and the screen. So what this proper posture is trying to tell, that while typing anything on the system or while typing anything with the help of keyboard or with the help of laptop, when we are working on desktop or when we are working on laptop, we have to always remember that we have to keep our back straight, and we have to always keep our elbow in a right angle so that we can type easily and in a very fast manner. And we have to face the screen in a straight tilted head towards the screen. That means the forward position. And always we have to maintain the distance of 20 to 30 inch, as you can see in this diagram. This is the proper posture how you have to sit, and this is the wrong posture. So always we have to maintain the proper posture while typing anything on the system. So our next topic is pointing devices. So let us read out this. A pointing device is an important device used to point at any object on the screen. You can point, select, open, and even drag an item on the screen. The pointing devices are also used to draw and play games on the computer. The commonly used pointing devices are trackball, joystick, light pen, touchpad, touchscreen, mouse. Among these, the mouse is the most popular pointing device. So let us understand this. What do you mean by pointing device? Pointing device means when we are pointing anything on the screen. Pointing device means whenever we are pointing anything on the screen, either with the help of finger, that means with the help of touch, or with the help of pointing devices such as mouse or trackball, joystick, etc. So in this particular slide, the very first diagram is of trackball. As you can see, there is a ball. It is also called mechanical ball present on this particular device. So whenever we scroll or whenever we move the ball from one position to the another, the cursor on the screen keeps on changing. And the second diagram is of joystick. With the help of this stick, we can move the position of the cursor on the screen. And the next one is light pen. With the help of this pen, we can point it out on the screen, or we can write anything with the help of this pen on the screen. And the next one is touchpad. As it is I think this with this touchpad everyone is familiar because this is used on the laptop. And the next one is touchscreen. This is also very familiar because each and everyone is having touchscreen mobile at their homes. So among these, among 1, 2, 3, 4, among all these commonly used pointing device, the most popular pointing device is mouse.